everyone. I'm Koala Teacher from 원바이원 English Academy, here to help with your homework. It's going to be fun. You'll see. If we go too fast, don't worry. Just hit pause. Take your time and catch up. It's all because if you hold on tight, we'll learn and grow. With every step, the more you'll know. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, we'll be reviewing Lesson 17, Infinitives and Gerunds. Remember, infinitives는 to plus 동사 원형 형태로 목적, 이유, 감정 등을 설명할 때 자주 사용하는 거야. For example, 뭐뭐 하기 위해 또는 뭐뭐 하는 것이야. An example sentence would be I want to eat. To plus 동사 그대로 나는 먹고 싶다. Gerunds are the verb plus ing. For example, eating, going, studying. But they are used as nouns. 동사에서 ing를 붙여서 명사처럼 쓰는 거야. 한국어로는 뭐뭐 하기 또는 뭐뭐 하는 것. For example, swimming is fun. 수영하는 것은 재미있다. When we have the verb plus infinitive, it looks like this. I want to sleep. To plus our verb. For infinitives, we use them with the verb decide, expect, hope, learn, need, plan, promise, and want. 이 verb들을 볼 때마다 to 뭐뭐 사용해야 돼. Infinitives usually come after the verb. For example, I want, 원하다. That's our verb. Want to do what? To sleep. They will learn. 배우다 is our verb. The object is to ski. 무엇을 배우고 싶은 거야? To ski. When we have a verb and a gerund, I enjoy walking. Verb plus ing. When we see the verb dislike, 안 좋아하다, enjoy, finish, keep, mind, miss, practice, and stop, we need to use these with gerunds. 동사 ing. gerund도 똑같이 verb 뒤에서 나와. I enjoy. Our verb is enjoy. What do you enjoy? Walking. And of course, when we use the verb like or start, 같은 의미야. infinitive 사용하는지, gerund 사용하는지 상관없이 같은 의미야. For example, I like to read. Infinitive. I like reading. Gerund. 둘 다 같은 의미잖아. 읽는 것을 좋아한다. Verbs that take both infinitives and the gerunds are begin, continue, hate, like, love, start. 이 동사들을 볼 때 infinitive 또는 gerund 사용하면 돼. 상관없어. If you're ready to get started with your homework, let's go! On page 69, the directions say to choose and write the infinitive form. Remember, the infinitive form means to plus our verb. 동사는 그대로 바꾸지 않고. Number 1, Mr. Jones decided his car and buy a new one. Because we have the verb decided, we are using the infinitive. 팔기로 했어. Decided to sell his car. Number 2, Mike didn't expect. Ooh, we have our verb expect, so we'll use the infinitive. Mike didn't expect Sam at the post office. 우연히 만났어. 그럼 우체국에서 볼 예정은 아니었잖아. He didn't expect to see Sam. Number 3, Jake hopes, so we'll use the infinitive. A new snowboard this winter. 새로운 보드를 갖고 싶은가 봐. 받고 싶은가 봐. Jake hopes to get a new snowboard. Number 4, Tom needs our verb infinitive 사용해서 needs his room today. 방이 지저분하면 to clean. Wow. Number 5, I just learned my name in Chinese characters. 쓰는 거. Learned to write. Good. Number 6, Mila promised the video game with me. 같이 노는 거. Promised to play. Number 7, what do you want this weekend? 뭐 하고 싶어? Remember, want에서는 무조건 infinitive. What do you want to do this weekend? Number 8. We are planning. Planning도 infinitive 때 사용하는 거고. We are planning a movie this weekend. Movie는 보는 거죠. We are planning to watch. Great job. In part B, now we need to use the gerund form. Remember, for the gerund, it's the verb plus ing. In our word box, we have drink, invent, make, read, speak, wait, and watch. Number 1, did you finish? This is our verb. Finish what? Your milk. Finish, your milk. milk는 마시는 거죠? So we will use the verb drink. drink에서 ing 붙여서 Did you finish drinking your milk? Number 2, my uncle is an inventor. 오, 발명자네. He enjoys, this is our verb, useful machines. He enjoys 만드는 거, inventing useful machines. Number 3, please stop. Stop is our verb. Stop what? 소리를 만드는 거. Making so much noise. Remember, 이가 있을 때 이한테 bye-bye 하고 ing 붙이는 거야. Number 4, Mary wants to keep. Our verb is keep. Her book until dinner time. 계속 읽고 싶대. Keep reading. Number 5, Jack dislikes. 안 좋아하는 거. Scary movies. 영화를 보는 거죠. Dislikes watching scary movies. Number 6, we need to practice. Our verb is practice. Practice what? English. Speaking English. Number 7, do you mind? Our verb is mind. Do you mind for me at the bus stop? 기다리는 거. Waiting for me at the bus stop. Great job. Please check your answers and I'll see you at the next page. On page 70, the directions say to complete the sentence using the infinitive or the gerund form. Remember, infinitive is to plus the verb. The gerund is the verb plus ing. Number 1, they love to eat Korean food. Okay, 여기는 infinitive가 있죠? To eat. 그러면 이쪽에서는 gerund를 사용해야 돼. They love, 우리 verb는 eat이니까 they love eating Korean food. Number 2, my dog started our verb barking. ing 없애지면 bark is our verb. My dog started, 여기는 to 붙여야 되고 to bark. Number 3, it began to snow a lot. Our verb is snow. It began, snow plus ing, snowing a lot. Number 4, Amy hates practicing the violin. ing를 없애지고 e를 다시 붙이면 practice. Amy hates to practice the violin. Number 5, do you like to play tennis? Play is our verb. Do you like playing tennis? Number 6, Peter will continue swimming. Okay, this is our gerund. 그러면 이쪽은 infinitive이죠? We need, our verb is swim. We need to add to plus swim. Peter will continue to swim. Number 7, nobody likes to go to the dentist. Our verb is go. Nobody likes go plus ing, going to the dentist. Number 8, people started wearing sandals. ing를 없애지고 our verb is wear. People started to wear sandals. Great job. In part D, we need to write the infinitive or gerund form. Write both if necessary. Remember, for verbs like begin, continue, hate, like, love, and start, we can use both infinitives and the gerunds. Number 1, Kevin promised me tomorrow. Ooh, our verb promised is used for the infinitive. So we need to say to call. Number 2, we decided pizza for lunch. Decided is also infinitive. We decided to order. Number 3, my little brother enjoys. verb에서 ing 붙이고 watching cartoons. Number 4, Andy dislikes spicy food. Dislike 안 좋아하다. Gerund dislikes eating spicy food. Me too. 너무 매워. It's too spicy. Number 5, Tom is learning. Learning is our infinitive verb. Learning to ride a horse. Number 6, Amy wants. Wants is also infinitive. To make a movie someday. Number 7, it will continue. Continue? 둘 다 사용할 수 있죠. It will continue to rain 또는 it will continue raining all day. Number 8, we finally finished. Finish is gerund. We finally finished doing our homework. And number 9, they expect. Expect is infinitive. They expect to see wild animals at the zoo. Great job! Please check your answers and we'll go to the next page. On our last page, we will be reviewing lesson 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. We need to circle the correct object of the verb. Circle both if necessary. Number 1, Mike needs. Needs what? Needs to study. Number 1, Mike needs. What does he need? He needs to study for the exam. Number 2, do you miss what? Miss going to the beach? Number 3, I usually enjoy what? Talking with my friends. Number 2, do you miss what? Going to the beach? Number 3, I usually enjoy what? Talking with my friends. Number 4, we decided, 결정했다, to visit Egypt this fall. Number 5, Sarah often promises, 약속하다, to clean her room. Number 6, my brother hates. hates는 둘 다 사용할 수 있잖아. hates to wash the dishes 또는 hates washing the dishes. Great job. In part B, we need to choose and write. In our word box, we have but, during, friendly, next to, and over. Number 1, everyone is in my class. 친절하다, friendly. Number 2, we ask questions, class. 수업 동안에, 수업 중에. During class. Number 3, they walked the bridge and looked at the river. Over the bridge. Number 4, the bank is the post office. 바로 옆에. Next to. Number 5, Amy fell off her bike. 근데 안 다쳤어. 우, 다행이다. But she didn't get hurt. In our last part, we need to underline and correct the mistake. Write no mistakes if there isn't any. Number 1, turtles are slow than rabbits. Okay. turtles 있고 rabbits도 있어. 비교하잖아. 비교할 때는 뭐를 붙여야죠? er. Our verb is slow. 그럼 slow에다가 er 붙여서 slower than rabbits. Number 2, there is a bus stop in front to the building. In front to가 아니라, 왜냐면 to는 그쪽으로 그 방향으로 가는 거잖아. 근데 바로 앞이면 to가 아니라 in front of 또는 in front of 대신에 next to 할 수 있잖아. next to or in front of. Number 3, we sat comfortable on the sofa. 편하게. 그럼 ly를 붙여야 되니까 이한테 빠이빠이 하고 Y로 바꿔서 comfortably. Number 4. We were at the library during 2 hours. 2 hours is the time, so we need to say 동안, not 중에. For 2 hours. Number 5. We waited for 3 hours at the train station. 시간 for 맞네. No mistake. Please check your answers and we're all done. You did an awesome job today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. You know what to do. I hope you'll miss me and be ready to play. Koala Teacher will see you in the next video. Okay? Bye!